Right, it's going to show you a new tool for the new workshop, and we picked up this British made Milford, and this is a whetstone grinder. Might need a bit of work. They weren't sure if it worked. It's got a motor mounted in the base, and from what I can see on the plate, it's 3-phase high voltage only, so I'm going to try and pull the windings and get it low voltage 3-phase, and then we can use it on an inverter. But I think it's going to clean up quite nice. A little bit damage on the castings, but nothing that's going to affect it, hopefully. A couple of new belts are going to be needed. Yeah, this should be pretty good when it's up and running. So it's the whetstone grinder again, the Milford. We stripped it down a bit, taken all the stones off. Bearings are shot in there, to be fair, so they're going to have to come out. But we've opened it up because we need to get that knocked out, that shaft, just to get this belt off the pulley wheel, and then we'll get some new ones on it. But we've cleaned out all the gunk, and all the parts are down there, and the stones. So as usual, we go from straight away going to use it to stripping it down and making it nice again.